Alright, welcome back to episode 4 already. Today, we're gonna try this marker. Let's see what happens. Alright, let's make sure everything is recording. And off we go. Oh, it's gotten so dirty already. Ooh, there's some plasma from the last project. Oh shit! Oh shit! that was. Alright, so that was pretty quick. Alright, so the marker exploded, I guess. Let's see what happens. Holy shit. Oh man, check this out. Check this out. It's a total mess. Oh my god. Fuck. Alright, so this was insane. I didn't expect this to happen. I'm gonna need some time for this. Alright, see you next one.